I just got back from knitting. I've been doing a lot of knitting and spinning, and I know you're not seeing tons. It isn't all on film, sorry, or on disc or whatever. But I'll show you some stuff when I get it done. There we go. This says, dive into your fiber dreams. I'm about to. I'm ready for this. Kind of springy. All right. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is 1 ounce hand-dyed braided fiber. It's from Yours in Fiber. It's called the Borealis Dream. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. I don't even want to put that away. Love. What is the theme this month? Sometimes it's... Oh, I think it might be like designer's choice. This is from Fleber's Farm. It says dreaming of spring. Man, I'm dreaming of spring. Oh. We were just talking about it at knitting. So it's merino. Look at that. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? The colors are showing up really good today. All right, so the fiber focus this month is Tencel. I have spun it before, but maybe I'll talk about this when we do. Oh, I'm sorry, it says Swifter. Swifter. That I have never spun. And it's from the Netherlands. I used to live in Holland, Michigan, so, but I'm not Dutch. All right, so this is Birthday Cake Polworth Handmade Hollows. I'm kind of excited to see birthday cake. Who doesn't love some birthday cake? Oh. Oh, and there's candy in there. Oh no, something. Oh, it says soap. There's a teeny little gift wrap soaked in with the birthday cake fiber. Cuteness. And look at this. Oh gosh. Boy, you got me this month. This is really, so far, all stuff I love. Look at this one. Okay, this is Icelandic Bamboo, Angelina, Faux Kashmir, and Tencel. And it is by Goldie Knots, Montana. The only Icelandic I've ever spun was during the fleece study that I did. Oh, look at how pretty. Can you see? You can see the sparkle even. This light is good for sparkle. Look at that. I want to spin this right now. That is unbelievable. Okay, this is Lullaby, Merino, Mulberry, and Firestar. And it says Christina Rossetti, but also it says Nunoko. I can't even see how to get this open. Oh, there we go. So there's Firestar in this one. It sparkles everywhere. Look. Oh, yes. Look at it. That is beautiful. And it's super soft. Oop. Yay. This is a bag of locks. Lois's locks, hand-dyed locks for crafts, doll hair, spinning, weaving, and knitting. Look at these, wow. That's fun. That's gonna be really cool. That's gonna be really a lot of texture. This is I Dream of Forever Love by the Gypsy Owl. Crinkles. Here we go. Oh, there's some candy in there too. This fiber is I do not know. It does not say on the bag, but it's like pastel. Wow, you can see that pretty well. That lighting is just working. Beautiful. And then we have Sweet Dreams. This is from Kamaj. I'm not gonna, I guess I will take it out. You can't see the colors right until I take it out. Look. A lot of purple this month, and I love me some purple. Look at that. Pretty. Very springy. Oh, and here's some bath salts from Spa. Those I definitely won't take out. Oh, and a notepad. And more candy. Oh, these are John's favorite. He loves these. Okay, so here is the bonus unboxing of some soft silk that I also bought from Kamaj. So on their website you can find this, and it is really nice for combining with other fibers just for like a little bit of shine or a pop of color. Now, one of the things that they're very clear about is that you need to make sure that these are color fast, because apparently some have bled. I have never had one bleed, but I don't want anybody to buy them and be like, hey, I put these in white Rolex and then they made them all different colors. So just be careful, check them out. I'm actually hoping to over dye some of this, like the really light, you can see it in one of those bags. But whenever I'm kind of, I don't know, jonesing to add something to my stash that's fun to throw in with other things like Rolex and rovings or whatever, I will go on their website and look at the colors, because they always have different color combos and they're awesome. So those big bags are actually something they only have once in a while. It's 4 ounces, and I think they were $22 a piece, which I don't know if that sounds like a lot to some people, but this will go so far. Like an ounce of silk is a lot of fiber because it doesn't weigh very much. So the 2 smaller packages are called Baby Boy and Raven. I'm sure you can figure out which one's which. I'm just going to open them up and show you the colors and the fiber a little bit better. I already used some of this fiber in a Roleg video that'll be coming up. I'm not exactly sure when, but I made 4 different types of Rolegs, and I used some of this in at least 1, maybe 2 of the different types. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you will consider maybe trying this out. They don't sponsor me. I buy these with my own money, but I love adding these to my
fiber stash, and they just go so far and they do so much fun stuff.